Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Here, I will introduce you to a funny Japanese classic phrase. If you try these phrases with your Japanese friends, they might laugh and smile. Young one. どこで覚えたのその言葉 and old one.
よーし、言葉してねえ。エレモンだ。
But that laugh doesn't make you a fool. They are accepting you as a nakama, which means a close friend. So if you hear a warm-hearted laugh, you know they were surprised at seeing you using classic phrases, and Japanese old people feels that using classic phrases is a sign of respect for Japanese culture. So let's get started. Today, I will introduce you to てんてこまい. This phrase is used when you are really busy. Most Japanese people are diligent, hard workers. We seem to have a passion for working. I think we often work too much. We have so many things have to do, and sometimes we sacrifice our health for work. Nowadays, we say いっぱいいっぱい in that situation.
Example 1.
秋田さん。
これやっといて。あ、もういっぱいいっぱいです。そんなこと言わない。頼むよ。はい。
いっぱいいっぱい means full, full. That means I can't have no more tasks. It's almost beyond my capacity. いっぱいいっぱい. Many Japanese people still try to do everything, even if you are already overwhelmed. So we say いっぱいいっぱい so many times.
Anyway.
I prefer to use てんてこまい instead of いっぱいいっぱい. てんてこまい is also used when you feel overwhelmed and really busy. もうてんてこまいです。
てんてこまいです。I'm really busy.
てんてこ means drumming sound, and mai means dance. So てんてこまい has a really funny energy that says I'm really busy in a gentler way. Please imagine you are a waitress and the other waitress is sick at home suddenly, and you have to serve every customer in the cafe today. In this situation, we often say ワンオペ, which means do it all oneself.
Example 2.
いらっしゃいませ。3名様ですか？こちらのお席へどうぞ。お姉さん、コーヒーおかわり。少々お待ちくださいませ。3名様、ご注文お決まりになりましたらお入りください。
すみません。お水おかわり。
少々お待ちくださいませ。ここ。はい、こちらお水。こぼしちゃった。冷たいじゃん。お堂おごって。すみません。レジ。472円になります。500円お預かりします。28円のお返しになります。ありがとうございました。またお越しください。お堂おごって。コーヒーおかわり。冷たいじゃん。お姉さん、お題決まりました。少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください。いらっしゃいませ。
It just looked like crazy dance, right? I like old Japanese humor. If you say いっぱいいっぱい, it means you have no more capacity to do anything. And it feels really heavy. いっぱいいっぱい. And it implies it might spill. I mean, you might fail to take care of everything. And it has a crack. I mean, you might collapse because of you have many things to do. いっぱいいっぱい. てんてこまい express the same situation, but it's dance. Dancing, enjoying, laughing to survive hectic situation. It's really cool way of thinking, right? And it's maybe a little more helpful
in
getting through that kind of situation. So I recommend you to try out てんてこまい。
ああ、もう、てんてこまいです。
which means I'm really busy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I will introduce the kind of funny classic phrase in future videos, and I'm developing pitch accent series of videos and pronunciation practice lessons and core grammar and culture. So please subscribe. どうもありがとうございました。どうもお疲れ様でした。はあ、もうてんてこまいだわ。